MusicCreator AI. This is also AI Visio, how we can create music, and we can also give the text and music will be generated. Using AI up to 8 minutes plus, we can also get AI music. And there are also some suggestions how it looks like you can listen and you can enjoy different type of music. E1, there you can also check like there is AI music with also some dialogue delivery. Here are instrumental creator music, photo to music. You just give the photo of your friends, family friends, out of your happy birthday type. You can give the event picture and it will generate song according to that event and OKM. There you can also see multiple ways to create music. Like first one is about AI music where you can give the text. Like just you need to give the title and describe what type of music you need. You have to provide a lyric option too. Next is about lyrics. Just you need to give the whole song in word. It can be romantic, it can be some action, it can be some sad and melody music you can easily put here. Next is about give the picture. You need to upload a picture of any event. You can also give for a soundtrack that will be generated. In this way, you can also give here text rap music. That is another level category. You can easily check here. Audio, even you can add it the song to. And for there, you can also check some more sparking feature, like easy for everyone. Everyone who a beginner or pro can work on it. Their lyrics to music generating in just a second and exportation is very fast. So that's why MusicCreator AI is going to helping you. Know me the skill required so you can also join it and there are free step mean. If you want to upload photo or music, there will be local AI composed music and in this way you can get the final with professional music reality. And next, there are some reviews by the creator who already used it, and there, different brand can also contact you. Now, if you have already account, you can come on the music generator AI to get their dashboard using Google. You can create account. You want to create music, you can easily select here like I want to create love romantic song for my partner. So here I'm going to write, and then you will come to this interface where you have to get there is a music generator, give the prompt here. Like I can even mention this is the prompt interface where you can write what type of music you want to create, give the prompt here, and choose here audio plus lyrics as for reference, and there is instrumental only you can select. And after inspiration you can select here. You can also put here some more data and your product as output will be shown at this place. So in this way you can create music. You can easily enjoy music lover can also put their own lyrics to at this place. And their audio and persona will be added, and in this way you can also generate the music here. So there is also AI singing voice generator. For that you can also upload directly music or record your music directly here. In this way you can also check out a music generator. Yes, photo to video, singing to video is also upcoming, and they are going to expand their ecosystem. Some templates, some inspiration and motivation music are also given here, so you can enjoy it. And if you want to enjoy your music, you can create your background tapper. There is BMP, and you can also create mastering level here. Your experience goes on next epic journey. So this is how we can also explore more tools has been given to. So this is about MusicCreator AI for your future, and you can also get piano music and everything is also on one interface. If you still have any question, you can ask in a comment box. See you next video till and take care and goodbye.